Hello, my name is Ahmad Dora. Today I will be showing you how to uninstall any file that you install inside your system, any software that you install in a Windows operating system and you want to uninstall it. There are some certain steps that you need to follow before you uninstall any program in your computer. The first step that you need to do right now is to press Window R. When you press Window R, then you write Control Panel as you see it here. Then you click Enter. After you click Enter, then you go for Programs. Then you go for Programs and Features. When you click on Program and Features, you see all the softwares that are installed inside your system. Let me uninstall this Akinetics Manual Tools version 1.0. So if you want to uninstall this Akinetics, you right click on it, then you click on uninstall. After you click uninstall, it will wait for a while. Then it will ask you, are you sure you want to completely remove Akinetics manual tools and all its components? Then you click yes. After you click yes, it will go and uninstall it. So it will go. So that is how to uninstall any program in your computer. Thank you very much for watching.